Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Shopify. If you want to change your display name for a particular store in Shopify, then here's how you can do it. First, open your Shopify application and also make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main home page, go and tap on your name initial or your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Now, in the expanded menu, tap on your email located right above Add Store and then click on Manage Account. This will then take you to this website. Here, you can go ahead and change your first name as well as your last name. Type in your first name in the first text box, and then you can also type in your last name, change it to something else, and after you are done with it, tap on the Save button located at the top right-hand corner. Wait for a few seconds, and once your account information has been updated, you can then go back to your application and immediately you should be able to see your name changed. If you found the video to be helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.